welcome back to Daily Chinese with Cassie channel. In the last episode, we mentioned the previous 3 games about Squid Game. We also learned many useful sentences, grammar, structure, and vocabularies. So guess what? Today, we will learn another 3 games in the Squid Game and bring you guys more useful sentences and vocabularies that you can use it in your daily life. So if you haven't watched the last episode, I will put the video link down below. Check it out after you finish today's learning journey. The 4th game in the competition I would like to introduce to you guys is marble games. This game may not as exciting as other games, but this is also the warmest and testing people's honest minds in this series. Players were made to pair into twos, given a sack of marbles, and told to play any games they wished with them. The person who loses of all 12 marbles means they lose the game, and of course, they got shot to be out of this game. In this part, let's scratch from vocabulary first. Marble in Chinese, we say 弹珠. 弹珠. Also, they're the warmest clip in this competition. So warm in Chinese, we call it 温暖. 温暖. Testing person's mind. Testing in here, we can say 测试 to describe this kind of situation. One more time. 测试 person's mind, we translate directly from English. And it's the same. We say 人心. 人心. The sentence I would like to use testing a person's mind to make the sentence. When you want to discuss with your friend about your working situation, for example, my boss is good at testing a person's mind. It makes me feel horrible. In Chinese, 我的老板很会测试人心，这让我感觉非常恐怖。我的老板很会测试人心，这让我感觉非常恐怖。Let's move to the 5th game, which is Glass Bridge. This is the most exciting in Squid Game. This game is not just testing a person's mind, but also you have to win this game by your luck. All of them have 16 minutes total to cross the bridge. The players were crossing a bridge during which they had to jump from glass panel to ensuing. One panel was created of tempered glass, and 2 individuals can stand on it without breaking. The opposite is made of normal glass and can shatter beneath a player's weight, which means if you choose the regular glass, you will fall to your doom. In this part, I would like to teach you these 4 vocabularies related to our normal life. The first vocabulary is luck. We say 幸运. 幸运. Doom, we say 厄运. 厄运. Regular glass, we say 一般玻璃. 一般玻璃. Tempered glass, 钢化玻璃. 钢化玻璃. And there are 2 sentences I would like to teach you in this part. The first sentence is 你必须努力，不能只靠着幸运就能成功。In English, you have to put your effort. You can rely on luck to succeed. 你必须努力，不能只靠着幸运就能成功。The second sentence is 我最近真的厄运连连，遇到很多很糟糕的事情。I have been doomed recently, facing lots of terrible things. 我最近真的厄运连连，遇到很多很糟糕的事情。Finally, this cruel game will be finished in the 6th game, which is Squid Game, the name of this series title. Before continue learning Chinese with me, subscribe my channel and thumbs up this video if you like the topic I bring you guys today. Okay, so the Squid Game, the rule is very simple. The attacker runs past the defender and steps on Squid's top to win this game. For the defender, this person should push the attacker out of the squid shape, and the defender wins this game. Once one of them cannot continue the game, the left person is the winner of Squid Game. In this series, this person can take billions of money to back home, and the loser in this game will get shot. Within this game, let's scratch the vocabulary first. Defender in Chinese, we say 防守者,防守者. Attacker, 攻击者,攻击者. And the sentence I would like to bring you guys today is to use offense to make the sentence. You can use this sentence when you are talking about the politics or civil rights with your friends. Offense in Chinese, we say 冒犯,冒犯. We cannot offend their right because that is their freedom. 我们不可以去侵犯到别人的权益，因为那是他们的自由。我们不可以去侵犯到别人的权益，因为那是他们的自由。Okay guys, finally we introduced all the 6 games, vocabularies and phrases, and now we still left the last part to go to our review time. Also, I promised to you guys in the last video. We are talking about what we can learn from Squid Game. The first thing came out of my mind is you have to suck it up in every single bad situation and try your best to turn the whole situation back to normal so that you won't be like a Squid Game actor who must enter this cruel game to win his life. Simpler, we can say, don't let the reality beat you even it's tough. 再怎么困难，都别被现实打倒。再怎么困难，都别被现实打倒。Oh, I also mentioned the same sentence in this video. Check it out after you finish this video. You can find a link in the description box down below. And also, we can learn about one thing in all of these 6 games. When you are on a successful path, don't forget to take care of your fellow as well. In Chinese, 在前往胜利的路上，别忘了也要照顾你的同伴。在前往胜利的路上，别忘了也要照顾你的同伴。It's about our review time, and let's scratch from the vocabulary first. Marble, 弹珠，弹珠。Testing, 测试，测试。Warm, 温暖，温暖。Person's mind, 人心，人心。Luck, 幸运。幸运 Doom 厄运厄运 Regular glass 一般玻璃一般玻璃 Tempered glass 钢化玻璃钢化玻璃 Attacker 攻击者攻击者 Defender 防守者防守者Offense, 冒犯，冒犯。Okay, guys, let's move to our sentence time. 我的老板很会测试人心，这让我感觉非常恐怖。And the second sentence is 你必须努力。不能只靠着幸运就能成功。我最近真的厄运连连，遇到很多很糟糕的事情。 我们不可以去侵犯到别人的权益，因为那是他们的自由。Alright, and let's move to our last sentence. 在前往胜利的路上，别忘了，也要照顾你的同伴。I appreciate you watching this video here. If you like the topics and vocabularies I taught you today, don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell of my channel so you will not miss the latest video on my channel. I will see you in the following video. Bye!